and welcome back to my channel, Learn Igbo Language with Igbo. How are you? Kedu ki mere? I hope you've been following and you've been learning, and I'm glad you're here again. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Let's learn Igbo language together. And for you that has been following me, I'm grateful you are there and learning Igbo language. Igbo amaka. Igbo language is sweet. I love you and I love Igbo language. So let's go there. Today, in today's study, I'm going to teach you means of transportation. I know you love traveling and I know you love adventure. And today, the next time you're going on vacation with your family, you will speak in Igbo language. What are the means of transportation? Usually you like flying by air. Plane, aeroplane, Eugboelu. Aeroplane, Eugboelu. Aeroplane, Eugboelu. Usually call it flight. Eugboelu. Anytime you're traveling by air, Eugboelu. Eugboelu. Anytime you're going on air, by flight, by aeroplane, Eugboelu. I hope you are learning. What did I say? Eugboelu, aeroplane, Eugboelu. Then if you're going on land, by car, by bus, it is Ugboala. Ugboala. Moto. Ugboala. You're going on road for a short distance or a short ride, or you are moving around having fun in your car. Ugboala. Ugboala. I hope you're enjoying this lesson today. Ugboala. Then, if you have your bicycle, maybe for sports, or you use it to catch fun or to do some exercise. Bicycle, anyịnya igwe. Anyịnya igwe. I hope you got what I said. Bicycle, anyịnya igwe. Hello. I hope you're following. Anyịnya igwe. That's your sports bicycle that you used to move around. Anyịnya igwe. Then you're traveling by sea. That is through ship. Ụgbọ mmiri. Ụgbọ mmiri. Ụgbọ mmiri. I hope you're following. Eji m n'aka na ị na-aghọta ihe m na-ekwu. Ụgbọ mmiri. I hope you understand it. If you're confused in any point, just get to the comment section, draw me. I will attend to you personally. So if you're not following, just draw me in the comment section there. I will attend to you. Ụgbọ mmiri. Ship. Ụgbọ mmiri. Then if you're moving by train, train. Ụgbọ oloko. I know you enjoy this one. Igbo amaka. Iburu nwata Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo. Igbo amaka. Train. Ụgbọ oloko. Ụgbọ oloko. I hope you're understanding it. Just draw me in the comment section if you're not clear about it. Train. Ụgbọ oloko. Or if you have any question at all, get to the comment section. I will attend to you. Any question in Igbo language, anything at all you feel like you want to know, reach me out in the comment section. I will attend to you. Okay? So, train, like I said earlier, Ụgbọ oloko. Ụgbọ oloko. Yes. Motorcycle, that's the bike. Ogbatumtum, bike. Ogbatumtum, bike. Ogbatumtum. I hope you're following me. This is where I'm going to draw the curtain into this lesson. Let me keep it short so that you go over it and understand it. And don't forget to ask questions if you don't understand or anything at all in Igbo language you wish to learn. Just draw me, I will attend to you personally. And please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do so. Subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends that want to learn Igbo language. Let's learn Igbo language with Adebo. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following me in these studies. And I wish to see you in my next video. Bye. Kemesia.